Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy MoreVeah, and I'm back once again with another banger car video. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail in today's video, we will be taking the Chrysler 300 on a POV drive. Y'all just seen, or y'all are gonna see after this intro, the first clip, which was me on the way to the gym. I decided to pick it up for a little bit, and then some guy came and complimented the car. But yeah, this is the intro. I just figured I'd let y'all know what the video is gonna be about. And yeah, this is the car that we are gonna be driving in. Tire setup, I think I dropped a video on that already. I may have. And if you don't know what the car has, I did drop a video on all the mods. So yeah, stay tuned and watch the video. What the hell is he doing? Is he turning? What the fuck are they doing? Yo, it's two of them. I don't know, but I'm out of here. I caught that on camera, but police was sitting right there. All right, y'all. So I'm trying to see before he drives away. Let's see if y'all can see him. Y'all see that white truck right there? I don't know if y'all can see it because I'm on the phone with it. But he just pulled up to the car because I just parked to get to the gym. Pull up to the car, roll the window down. He told me to roll the window down. I roll it down. Grown man, he like, hey bro, your car badass. I'm like, appreciate it. He said, yo, you rated R? That's rated R right there. Shout out rated R. Yeah, I'm part of the little car group. So yeah. And then he was like, oh yeah, that shit fire, bro. Me too. And then he left. So I just thought that was cool. So I figured I'd tell y'all. But yeah, your boy is finna go into the gym and then I'll get more clips for y'all. But it'll definitely be nighttime because it's currently like 7:40 and it gets dark at like 8. So I'm gonna be in the gym for like an hour. Then we'll get more clips. So yeah. All right, y'all, we just got out of the gym. Now we finna get cookout. Quick little pit stop. It's only like 1 or 2 minutes away, so I am gonna have my windows rolled down. And I guess we'll see how the mic quality is with the wind in the background. Cops do be hot around here though. I ain't gonna fake. This is the place that I've got my only ever ticket at. Dunn, North Carolina, yo. Actually in this cookout parking lot. Y'all, so we just made it out of Walmart after we left cookout because my girl had to pick up some stuff. But your boy is indeed a Apple Maps warrior, and like I'm gonna try my best to get home without the maps, but I'm not sure if I know how. So y'all just bear with me, and if we make it home, make it home. If not, hey, it is what it is. I'm sorry for the glare and shit like that though. Pretty sure take a left out of this zone. Take a right out of this zone. I think I'll take a left out of this one. Or do I take a right and go all the way down? I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Y'all hear nature, bro? Pretty sure it's this way. I've only been here 1,000 times, but starting to rain, fellas. And y'all boys have been doing amazing on this channel. I'm sorry for abandoning y'all. As you do know, I have another channel called Chop by Veah, which is my main channel where I do my barbering content, my lifestyle content. So if I'm not posting here, I'm more than likely posting there. And if I'm not posting on either, that means I got a lot going on in my regular life. And yeah, so I am gonna go ahead and tell y'all, for those of you that are watching, your boy is moving. Nowhere far from where I already stay, but I am indeed moving. So the Chop by Veah account will have a whole series on the move out and the move in, if y'all are interested in that instead of the car channel. So stay tuned for that. That ain't happening for another month though. So until then, we need to keep dropping bangers. If y'all do hear a little whine, you know the car is not supercharged. But I do have a K&N cold air intake on the straight pipe, so it kind of gives it that little and I have the SRT pages, which I think in track mode makes my car sound crazily better. Pretty sure I take a right at this thing. Pretty sure. No, I keep straight here. Shift not allowed. Tried to downshift too early. Complete stop. I'm sorry, you guys. I know you cannot barely see anything. I don't know what's... Oh, shit. I don't know what's wrong with my camera. I wiped it off 5 times. It's still blurry. That shit would not let me shift. Damn! There's lightning and the thunder in this motherfucker, boy. I do not condone any type of speeding. I do not condone any type of reckless driving. I do not condone any reckless behavior on this channel. Anything that you do see that consists of any of that is AI and CGI and all that. the damn steering wheel get to shaking, tires get to spinning, and this is only a 5.7. There's people out here with 707 horsepower. I'm pushing 390 horsepower, and I'm handling it, but barely. Woohoo! Alright, chat, so your boy is finna be home within the next like 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the POV drive here. If you did enjoy, drop a like and a comment. If you didn't enjoy, drop a dislike and a hate comment. Because either way, I don't care. Because algorithm works like based off of interactions regardless. A like is the same as a dislike. A comment is the same as a comment, like whether you hating or you enjoying. So drop either a hate like, a dislike, a regular like, but still do something to support your boy. I appreciate y'all watching. With that being said, I'm out, and yeah.